What's up everyone, I'm Becca and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a booster box opening of the newest set, Temporal Forces. A huge thank you to the Pokémon Company International for gifting me this set. This set right here is what's going to get me back into playing the TCG. I am very excited that Dialga V-Star is going to be viable again. And I got a few of the key cards that I'm going to be needing for that deck. I already got my playset of the Buddy Buddy Poffins. These were my hits from the pre-release event. The Full Art Incineroar is one of my chase cards. This set has a total of 218 cards. There are 14 different ancient Pokemon cards and there are 14 different future Pokemon cards. A-Spec cards are also making a comeback to the TCG. I'm usually not too crazy about the gold cards for Pokemon, but I think that the Gouging Fire in gold looks the best out of all of these. And then I think the Walking Wake actually looks really good too. My chase cards for this set are all of the artworks for Iron Crown. That has been my favorite Pokemon to use in competitive VGC. And like I mentioned, I really want the full art of Incineroar. Here are the 4 different pack arts. I'm gonna start with the right side of the booster box and I'm opening the pack art of my fave. Ooh, nice. First pack magic. Ooh, okay, we got the A-Specs of the Master Ball. Search your deck for a Pokemon, reveal it, and then put it into your hand. Oh yes, oh. This is considered a hit for me. Okay. Alright, I have this card already, but it's still a hit. I don't know if this card will get any competitive usage, but putting 8 damage counters on the attacking Pokemon if you get knocked out kind of sounds good. Okay, let's go! We got our first Iron Crown! Oh, okay, the Drampa illustration rare. Very nice. Fluttermane! Queen Fluttermane! Why? Why did they get a card? Why did they get an EX? Ah, another Incineroar. High hopes for the left side of this box. Oh my god, this is the Litten. Yeah, I'm obsessed. This Litten illustration rare is so freaking cute. Oh, okay, we got the Raging Bolt EX. Oh, okay, we got our first full art trainer, Yonka's Devotion. Oh, we got the illustration rare for the Walking Wake. Let's admire the artwork together. EX card. I wonder if some people will play this in the Dialga deck. Steel Pokemon take 30 less damage from attacks. Oh, nice! We got the gold Raging Bolt! Body almost blends in with the background and then you just see the head up in the clouds. Regular EX for Iron Boulder. Oh, okay, we got the illustration rare. Here is a recap of all of my hits. A total of 14 hits out of 36 packs. Not too bad. The Litten and Walking Wake were definitely my favorites. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, leave a like on this video, and comment below telling me what your chase card is for the set. And I'll see you all in my next video.